for ungrouped data, then you can use the formula x bar equal to summation x by n, and for group data you can utilize the formula summation fx over summation f. For group data you have frequency given, and if you are going to find the median, we have two kind of formulas: median for odd observation and this is for even observation. If you are going to find the median for odd observation, then first of all you will arrange the data in ascending or descending order. After arranging the data in ascending or descending order, you can utilize the formula n plus 1 over 2th value. First of all you will arrange the data, then you can use this kind of formula n plus 1 over 2th value. For even observation, you can utilize the formula 1 by 2 n by 2 plus n plus 2 over 2th values. This is done after utilizing the ascending or descending order. Okay, but if you are going to find the median for group data, this is for ungrouped data and this is for group data. First of all, you will find the median group. For median group, you will use the formula n over 2 value. Okay, when you have found the median group, you will utilize the formula L plus h over f into n by 2 minus c. L is the lower class boundary of that median group, h is the size of class interval, and c is the cumulative frequency. Then finally, if you are going to find the mode of group data and ungrouped data, for ungrouped data, mode is the most frequent observation which appears in the data. But if you are going to find the mode for group data, then you will utilize this formula L plus Fm minus F1 divided by 2Fm minus F1 minus F2 into H. L is the same lower class boundary of model group. Model group is that group which has the most frequent value. If frequency is given maximum, then this group is considered as model group. And what is Fm? Frequency of model group. And what is F1? Frequency preceding the model group. And F2 frequency following the model group. So these are all the formula which are utilized in this chapter. Basically this is concept for group data and ungrouped data. Group data, in group data frequency is given, but for ungrouped data you have given random values. So these all formulas are very important for basic statistics. Okay, thank you very much.